Welcome back to Tales from the Veil, where we delve into the ancient stories that shaped our world. Today, we journey to the sun-drenched lands of ancient Egypt to uncover a love story so profound it defied death itself, the divine romance of Isis and Osiris. In the golden age of Egypt, a land blessed by the mighty Nile and the watchful eyes of the gods, lived two siblings, Isis and Osiris. They were not just brother and sister, but soulmates, destined to rule together. Their union brought unparalleled harmony and prosperity. Osiris, a benevolent king, brought civilization to humanity, teaching them agriculture, law, and the arts. By his side, Isis, a powerful sorceress and healer, was revered for her wisdom and compassion. But not all hearts rejoiced in their happiness. Set, Osiris's younger brother, festered with jealousy. His envy grew into a dark obsession, leading him to devise a cunning and cruel plan. At a grand feast, Set unveiled a magnificent chest, promising it to anyone who fit perfectly inside. One by one, the guests tried, but none could fill its dimensions. Then, Osiris, unsuspecting, stepped into the chest. In a flash, Set slammed the lid shut, sealing his brother within. The chest, now a coffin, was cast into the mighty Nile. It drifted until it reached the shores of Byblos, where a beautiful tree grew around it, encasing Osiris's body within its trunk. But Set's malice was not yet sated. He later discovered the chest, retrieved Osiris's body, and in a fit of rage, dismembered it. He scattered the 14 pieces across the vast lands of Egypt. Isis, heartbroken but resolute, embarked on a tireless quest to find her husband's scattered remains. Her grief fueled her determination, and with the help of her sister Nephthys and the jackal-headed god Anubis, she traversed deserts, swamps, and mountains. With each piece she found, she performed powerful magic, protecting them from further harm. Her journey was a testament to a love that refused to surrender to despair. Finally, Isis gathered all but one piece of Osiris's body, the phallus, lost to the Nile. Undeterred, she fashioned a replacement and, through her potent magic, briefly resurrected Osiris. In a moment of divine union, their love transcended the boundaries of life and death, leading to the conception of their son, Horus. Though Osiris could not return to the land of the living, his spirit found a new purpose. Osiris became the benevolent lord of the underworld, ruling over the realm of the dead. He judged the souls of the departed, ensuring their passage to a peaceful afterlife. His reign brought order and justice to the unseen world, a king even in death. Meanwhile, Isis raised Horus in secret, shielding him from Set's wrath. As Horus grew, he became a mighty warrior, destined to avenge his father and restore balance to Egypt. The epic battle between Horus and Set was a clash of cosmic forces, representing the eternal struggle between order and chaos. In the end, Horus emerged victorious, defeating Set and reclaiming his rightful place. Horus's triumph brought peace back to Egypt, but the legacy of Isis and Osiris lived on. Their love story became a timeless symbol of enduring devotion, sacrifice, and the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Their bond transcended all obstacles, proving that true love can indeed defy death. If you enjoyed this tale of divine love and ancient magic, please like this video and subscribe to Tales from the Veil for more mythical stories and legends from across the ages.